My people, so sorry about that out there. I need to start back this thing here.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. This is the fat guy here, you see? And I have lots of people now coming up from the waterfall here. Look, them little fellas. What's my place? Cheese. Cheese to the camera, please. And you all keep walking. And that is them also that going out there. From Paria Bay Waterfall. This is today Sunday. And oh my lord, look at more people. Let me take them out. Everyone. Yes, thank you. Okay. And there's the person going back there from the waterfall in Paria Bay. And there's some more here to do also. Thank you. They're nice people. Look at how nice some people is. That is whoever there. Okay. Good afternoon and still want to going back. Nice, this is a beautiful young lady I meet on the trip. Somebody am I there up in front there? Done. Yeah man, right, this is the cut. Yeah, right, cool.
Love.
Yeah man, respect. Yes, truth. Thanks sir. Everybody, yes. Okay, Princess, you are not a waterfall. Yes, Paria Bay Waterfall was people on hike on the trail to go. Nice, and this is them. Right, and we all on our journey, you know. Yes, everything was being started perfectly. Right, we're going up there, right? Somebody on my car, boy. Wait us. Yeah, me don't play my car too, you know. But what done? I got my car full, you know. Thank you, sorry. Chindan and Tobago people. This is Aliyah here, Kendall there. Right now. And Savi and this one, I stand them up in the front already. Wait this.
Look.
Right, good, thank you. Let's go. We all are on the same trail to reach to the waterfall from Paria Bay. Don't forget my please. Right. I am in the back. Hand down as a news reporter. This is the trail. This is the pure nature trail. You see the ground there? How the leaf and thing. Watch how nice all those things. See? Right, nice. While I walk in, it will be showing kind of, but if I stop and show them a little how it is. Very nice. Rastaman and them in the front. Alright, we go in. Okay, nice. We start. Yeah, all over again. My drink of vodka here is in the glass. My car, everything. Thank you. This is my people here. Scott. Yeah, this is Aliyah here. She stopped waiting for her. This is all her. Okay. You could walk in the front and I come in and I want to make sure everybody. Okay, listen. Click. Thank you. Right. Yeah, it is no lie. Thank you. Yeah, it's approximately a couple miles of Miss Peter. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah. Yeah, line. This is Aliyah here. She's very close. Yes, this is, yeah, thank you. Of course, it's Aliyah. Good. The camera right there behind you. How is everybody going up there? Aliyah is into the back waiting, and Aliyah, you need. Thank you. You see, there's Swasso below a there's a big tree that fall. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah, this is Aliyah passing below here. This is a feat, wonderful feat here. Go up to the upstream part, and this is everyone is. Thank you. Alright, please go in there. Candle there.
Let's keep up with the pace.
Are you right? Well, you have to walk faster than me, and I will go my way. I'll go now. Look at you.
Give me time. Gotta make sure we cameraman here too because you know we
right
can't
there.
miss out on this now.
Them camera shots at the ring. Like fucking low. You like fucking Luna. I seen you. Down there you are. This is a layer here. You know, some bamboo, some lovely bamboos there. That is over our head. Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
This was the director.
Yeah, you know, continue. Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you, right? Good. Aliana mother is into the front there, followed by Kendall by the friend, and Caro, and director is Martin, whatever. And we all are midway towards Paria Bay Waterfall. Scottish. Okay. Right. Yeah. Alright. Yes. Yeah. Rastaman and them isn't up to the front there, and so far we cannot meet up with them because we all was very sorry about being so slow on our trip towards Paria Bay Waterfall, which we all was hiking. This is this more here. He have his, yes, everything was needed. Good. Okay. Yeah. And look, Savian was no up to them, man. Right. Was coming down here. You see it have a lovely water stream here. I don't know if you all can see this thing. I want to show you all this thing more seriously. Alright, this is Scaro up here. Alia and her mother. And we all are heading to Paria Bay Waterfall. Right? Sorry, my ladies and gentlemen, you can't see my face at all because I'm the director. Okay. I'm very sorry. This is Aliyah mom here, right? Closer. Everyone, there's your friend there. There's a Caribbean is on there.
Everyone, sorry about the inconvenience, but we'll have to save our battery until we reach by the
Exactly.
fall. So, we'll get the rest of it when we reach by the
Let's
fall.
switch it off.
Come on, switch it off. We'll take the rest when we reach by the fall.